Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic here. Are you having poultry diarrhea? Is your broilers dropping greenish colored poop or reddish color or watery color or milky color droppings all over your poultry pens? This is coconut shell. Activated coconut shell charcoal can solve that problem for you. Is your poultry best having salmonella, having viral infections? Are they having bacterial infections, parasites? Is your poultry pen smelling, having odor? Is it having odor? You are having odor in your poultry house. People around you are complaining. This is the solution. Watch this till the end. Don't skip any track at all. Let me tell you how you are going to make use of this, the nutritional value of this coconut shell activated charcoal, how you are going to prepare it, the dosage, and at the same time, what it's going to do for you in your broiler and other poultry birds production. Please don't go anywhere. Let's go there. Hello, you are welcome back from our break. Let me briefly give you the benefits of this coconut shell activated charcoal. Remember what I earlier told you, this charcoal is different from the wood charcoal many of you are talking about. This is purely activated charcoal. And the best for now is the coconut shell activated charcoal because of its cleanness and numerous benefits it can serve in poultry and livestock animals. The coconut shell activated charcoal has more micropores and does not leave any taste. It is a renewable source for activated carbon for water. They are long-lasting in feed and the body of the animals. Let me guide you briefly so that you understand what I'm saying here. If you make use of synthetic medications, most of them doesn't last long. Within few weeks, the whole properties of that medication is out of the body of the animal and leave the animal open to contact any other infection. But this is a purely organic and natural substance, so they stay longer. Even if you're talking about synthetic and organic fertilizers, you see that organic fertilizers last for years on the soil. So that is how these organic medications last longer and protects the poultry and livestock animals for many years, and they doesn't have much adverse effect once you apply them according to the quantity and according to the dosage or standard. Activated charcoal is good for broilers. It would serve as a good source of growth promoter for broilers and other poultry birds, and it improves the feed efficiency and their health. The activated charcoal gives an increase in feed consumption up to 7%. That means when you apply the activated charcoal, if they are eating 7 kg, they will increase. That's what it means. And their efficiency and their productivity will at the same time increase, including their weight and size. Their growth will also increase because the more they eat, the more they convert the feed, and the more the feed serves and at the same time activate their growth, their weight, the egg production in laying beds, and the size. It is also very good for four-legged animals. It helps them, energize them, protect them, boost their immune structure against any infection, either viral, bacterial, fungi, or parasites. It makes them very strong against all this and resist all these diseases. If you are good in watching documentaries, you can see that most of all these wild animals, you see them going into area where they burn wood or they burn trees and they eat charcoals. If you are good in watching documentaries. This is because of the properties this charcoal gives, most especially this activated charcoal that is well prepared with coconut shell. Don't worry, I'm going to guide you on how to apply it and how you're going to process it also. Only make sure you watch this video. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, please subscribe right now and give this video a thumb up. If at this point you have been able to achieve or you have been able to get something better from this video, please give it a thumb up right now. Please tap that button, thumb up button, like the video right now before we continue. Thank you for doing that. And at the end, make sure you share this video to reach other farmers that are interested, that's also requesting for this kind of video. Please, most of them will not get this video if you don't like it. As you like the video, the network will be able to share it to reach other farmers that are in need of this particular content. Give it a thumb up, like, drop your comments if you are finding this video very interesting, or if there is anything you want more clarification. Drop it in the comment section. We'll meet there. I will answer the questions and I will clarify you more, because I wouldn't like this video to go too long. Another one is it absorbs toxins from food and from water. So if there is anything like complication, there is any toxic, any substance that can harm their health system, this activated charcoal, once it's in their body, we filter it and absorb it, and at the same time reduce the efficacy of that toxins and make it, even convert it to a usable property in their system. You can see one of the another good reasons why this activated charcoal is good for your poultry birds. It can be given to birds orally with a dosing syringe. This syringe they use to give injections. You can use it to measure it. It can also increase their food conversion and at the same time food efficiency. It also improves their performance. Both broiler and laying birds, it improves their performance in a very more significant way. It also helps them to boost their health system. So they make this thing make their health system more efficient and more agile. So this is one of the reasons I will stop here and guide you on how to process this charcoal to make it a usable property for your poultry and livestock animals. Please make sure you follow the steps and don't skip any track at all. Let's go there. This is the best way to prepare coconut shell activated charcoal for your poultry birds, broilers, layers, and other birds. This is the best way to prepare it. You put this particular pot on fire and place all the charcoal shell you want to make use of in preparing your activated coconut shell charcoal. Heat up the pot and cover it. Cover this and until all the shells turn black. You continue monitoring it from time to time. You open it from time to check it. It's going to be heated up and it's going to turn black. After turning black, you now take it and grind it. Grind it to powder, and I will still tell you how you're going to make use of it in your poultry beds. There is another way also. If you don't want to make use of this particular method, another method is, this is the fire here. You place it on top of the fire like this. Make sure they burn very well and turn black. You place them like this. Place them like this until they turn black. The fire will continue heating them until they turn black. You are seeing it here. The fire is going to continue heating it. Any method that you think is easier for you, you make use of it. So let's wait. Don't want to prolong this video. As we are waiting, I will allow this to burn to the extent that we can make use of it to continue with our training and our lecture. Let's wait now. Now you can see that it is properly done. You can see it. Now we need to pick it out from here and allow it to cool before we now start grinding it. This is the next stage we're going now. Continue watching. Now this is the next stage of the processing of this coconut shell activated charcoal. Remember the process we have gone through, and this is the next stage. After burning the coconut shell, this is the activated charcoal we get. Then from here now we have to grind it to powder format. After grinding it, we now use the quantity that is required to mix either the feed or you give directly with water. So now let's go to the next stage. Grind it. After grinding, I will now tell you the quantity you need to administer to your birds. Let's go to the machine and grind this now. Let's go there. Hello, we are in the next stage. Our activities. Hello, we are in the next stage. Our coconut shell activated charcoal is ready for use. You can see it. It's very fine. You can see it. You see it? It's very fine. You can see it. It is now ready for use. We have completely grinded it. What you need, like this quantity here now, can take care of 10 bags of 25 kg feed. You want to give it to chicken, use only 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon in their water. That 1 teaspoon is enough for 100 birds. 1 teaspoon is enough for 100 birds in their water. You can see it here. You can still use 1 teaspoon and mix 1 bag of 25 kg. You can see it. So we're going to do that right now. We are going to use just little quantity to mix and give to the chicken so that you see how they rush it. Right now, it is ready for use. Let's go there to the next stage. Let's mix it with the feed. You see how they are going to rush. This is organic, activated coconut shell charcoal powder. Let's go to the next stage right now. Don't go away. Keep watching. This is what you need. This is exactly the quantity you need. This is just half spoon. This is level of spoon here. Take this quantity and mix directly to half bag. This is half of the spoon here. You can see it here. This is half of the spoon. It's level. Use this quantity for half bag of 25 kg. That should give you 12.5 kg for this quantity. See it here. Please don't exceed this quantity. Let's go there. You have seen it here. Are you seeing it? You see it? Sprinkle it and make sure you mix it thoroughly. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Thorough mixing to make sure it is effectively mixed. Then you administer to your chickens. So let's go there and give it to the chickens. The activated charcoal can be given to noilers, cockerel, layers, turkey, geese, guinea fowl, ostrich, swan, and any other feathered birds, including broilers, at any stage of their life. Make sure you give according to the prescription in this. Share the video, subscribe, and comment. Bye.